Hello St. Andrews School students, good morning to you all. Here is your GK teacher Mrs. Pallavi. Today we will study GK of class 7th. So the first unit is our environment, and in this the first exercise is environmental organizations. So put here today's date. Now I am reading. An environmental organization works to protect the environment globally, nationally, or regionally. These organizations try to solve problems such as habitat destruction, poaching, and pollution in different ways. Read about these organizations and name them with the help of the clue box. Here, clue box is given. You can write the answer from here. And in this exercise, all the information regarding the organization, institutions that are helping for the environment, for the animals, this whole information is given. So I am reading the question number 1. This organization started by Bill Travers fight for the rights of wild animals to remain in the world. And the answer is Born Free Foundation. Next question. This campaign, founded by Lady Dodding, works against the abuse of animals for various purposes like evictions, ivory trade, etc. And the answer is Beauty Without Cruelty. Next, this organization protested against building a large dam across the Narmada River, one of the main rivers in India. And the answer is Narmada Bachao Andolan. Next question. This organization, question number 4, this organization donates money to conduct programs in different countries to conserve biological diversity. And the answer is Worldwide Fund for Nature. These all organizations are helping directly, indirectly to conserve the biological diversity and to against the cruelty of animals, etc. Now the question number 5 is, this is an Indian institution which carries out research in the fields of environment and other related problems. And the answer is the Energy and Resources Institute. Next question. This is an international organization that protests against environmental problems in a non-violent manner. And the answer is Greenpeace. You can read Filofact here. At the beginning of the 21st century, the WWF was active in more than 100 countries. So here we have completed our exercise number 1. Now the next the next exercise is strange plants. Here the jumbled form is given. You have to unjumble the letters and put in a synchronized way that meaningful spelling can make. Now I am reading. Nature is home to all kinds of species of plants. There are a number of plants with unique characteristics that are found in nature. These are the characteristics of a particular tree, particular species, plant, tree, etc. Given below are some strange plants. Read the clues and unjumble the letters to find the names of the plants. So the first information is, this plant produces the largest flowers clusters. Once the flowers are produced, the tree dies. And the answer is telepot palm. Next, the leaves of this plant look as if they have been cut into perfect hearts. It grows in Thai forests. And the answer is Sweetheart Hoya. Next question. This plant grows at a rate of up to 45 centimeter to 1 meter in a day. And the answer is giant kelp seaweed. Next question, question number 4. This plant grows on its host tree and strangles it. Its seeds fall on the leaves and develop roots along the trunk and enter the soil. And the answer is strangler fig. Next question. This plant produces the world's largest seed. From this much information, the answer is giant fan palm. Next question. This is a parasitic plant and has no chlorophyll. It is found in South Africa. And the answer is Hydrona africana. Here two facts are given. Philo-fact is the tallest flower in the world is the Titan arum. It is about 9 feet tall. And the second information is which is the smallest leaf in the world? And the answer is Wolffia. So here we have completed our exercise number 2. Now come to exercise number 3, that is strange reptiles. All the information regarding the reptiles are given in this exercise. And what are reptiles? The reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates that have dry skin covered with scales and are able to regulate their inner body temperature to the temperature of the environment. This is the main characteristics of reptiles, that reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates that have dry skin covered with scales and are able to regulate their inner body temperature to the temperature of the environment. Given below are the pictures of some reptiles. Read the descriptions and name them with the help of the clue box. Here the clue box is given, so you can write the answer from here. The first question is, it is the longest and the most poisonous snake. And the answer is king cobra. Next question. It looks like a crocodile but is smaller and has powerful bony scales on its body. And the answer is alligator. Next question. It is a snake which makes a rattling sound when it crawls. And the answer is rattlesnake. Next question. It has a shell on its back and can swim. It stays in the water most of the time. And the answer is turtle. Next question. It is a reptile that has a shell on its back and can be domesticated. It cannot swim. And the answer is tortoise. Here we can see the little bit in difference between the turtle and the tortoise. The turtle, it has a shell on its back and can swim, but tortoise cannot swim. Next question. It is a peculiar reptile which can change its color quickly according to its surroundings. And the answer is chameleon. Chameleon is related to the lizard family. So, one philo fact is also given here. Chameleons belong to the family of Chameleonidae. These colorful lizards are one of the few animals that can change their skin colors. Lizards also change their skin color. So here we have completed our exercise number 3. Do this work in a very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.